I think the decision is what has been expected. The Japanese economy is in a very stagnant situation. We had a big drop of GDP in the second quarter because of the declaration of the state of emergency, and after it was lifted, and when the government started to engage in the go to travel campaign, which tried to mobilize people to travel within the country, the economy recovered somewhat in the third quarter. But as a result of the people's mobility, I'm afraid we are in the third wave of COVID-19 infection, so that the government has stopped the campaign until next January. I think as a result of this, the fourth quarter of Japanese economy might see a very limited recovery or even a negative growth. This stagnant situation would continue until next fiscal year, at least until the vaccines becomes available, hopefully by June 2021.
Right, and the government also came in with their forecast, which is pretty much the same as what the BOJ has stated, upping a growth guidance for 2021, but cutting their growth forecast and growth outlook for 2020. What can we expect in terms of additional stimulus support? Yes, the BOJ is extending out their bond purchase program for another 6 months, but what more can we see by way of additional policy action from policymakers in the region?
Okay, well, the government has decided to introduce the third supplementary budget, and it's adding 19 trillion yen of expenditure. It would include COVID-19 related expenditures to support the medical system, as well as expenditures to extend the Go to Travel campaign. I think this would stimulate the economy or support the economy somewhat. But we have to think about how it's going to be financed. It's going to be financed by issuing 22 trillion yen of government bonds. And we already have a very big government bond issued as a result of the past two supplementary budget. So I think it's inevitable that we have to support the economy by engaging in active fiscal policy, but we have to bear in mind that that's going to increase the burden of the future fiscal consolidation.